Hey, welcome to another tutorial from WordPress Page Builders Academy. We have an extensive library of tutorials for all the top WordPress page builders. So be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so you can see them when they come out. Okay, now on to today's tutorial.
Hey, so today we'll be showing you how to have a single blog post template that pulls like text from both Bloomberg WordPress content and your Bricks content if you're editing with Bricks, right? This could be, because you are now just converting the Bricks, but a lot of your old blog posts, they're written in the Gutenberg blocks via WordPress. So you want to not have to redo all that and transfer to Bricks layout, but you want the single post template to still pull the blog posts from WordPress's Gutenberg blocks. But, going forward, you want to edit all your single blog posts with Bricks specifically, perhaps, that could be one reason why you want to pull, have the option to pull either or a text content from WordPress or Bricks in your single blog post template. So, if you need a little refresher on what a single blog post template is or how to create one in Bricks, so we actually do have a video of that. And I'll link it in this video, and I'll link in the description box too. But right now, let's start with this, okay? So we are in templates right here, and we're going to build a single blog post template. So this is the template that displays your blog post, right? Make sure it's single. So is the template type. I'm going to save this draft here. Going to edit with Bricks. So, this is a blank slate. It's looking very blank. So I just want to go ahead and just show you a quick example in design example. So just gonna go ahead and install some community templates, okay? Just to show you what quickly what a single post template kind of looks like, the single blog post template. Yeah, let's just insert. There you go. This one. Yes, we'll import out the colors. So template inserted, right? So this is what your blog post template Bricks or mine is going to look like. So there's metadata, and so this is the post content element, right? This is where it pulls the main text content for your blog post. Where is it pulling from? WordPress content, right? The data source is WordPress here. But, on going forward, if you wanted specifically to pull from Bricks, you wanted maybe to, design each blog post specifically in Bricks for some reason, then you might want to also pull data from Bricks also. So you can do that. But in my experience, though, just having it pull from WordPress content is probably best if you're just, want a unique or uniform blog post template, so just write in WordPress and then just have your wrapper or your single blog post template layout be in Bricks. But anyway, so let's get away from the point. So right here, and let's say you want to also again pull from Bricks as your data source. All you need to do really is duplicate, and now one will be pulling from Bricks, and then one will be pulling from WordPress.
Hey, we've got a quick favor to ask. If you've made it this far into that tutorial, please smash that like button. It will really help out this channel and these tutorials. Okay, now back to the actual tutorial. Thank you. That's really all you have to do. Everything else is going to be kept the same. Your post content title, post title, the metadata, all this will be kept the same. Related posts, you don't need duplicates of that. The only duplicates you need is the post content element, because one's going to pull from WordPress, one's going to pull from Bricks, right? So
when you do this though, you're gonna run into several issues like duplicate content issues, right? There's some code out there that's available that would let you, I guess, set conditionals where if text in WordPress shows, then bricks will not show, right? But we're gonna do this the lazy way. I'm just gonna tell you how to prevent duplicate content, right? So right here, we're gonna save this draft, and then we're gonna go back and publish it. Oh, sorry, we forgot to set the conditionals too, to where this shows them for all your single blog posts, right? So template settings, conditional, you are going to set it as a post type for your posts, right? Okay, and then we're going to save this also. So this template is what's going to be shown for all your single blog posts. Okay, so now we have this sample here, right? This is in Bricks, in WordPress, right? This is a post. And so now let's publish it and see what shows up, okay? So and this is kind of what it looks like, our template, right? So this is the featured image, the post title, metadata, and the WordPress text. Okay, so now let's go back. Let's delete all this. And say now you want to go edit in Bricks instead, for some reason, right? Text. This is Bricks edited text, right? Save this. And now let's view the sample. Now, so now that you see that's edited in Bricks and we delete the WordPress content, this is all shows up. But you see, oh, there's a duplicate here, right? So basically, this was what we put into the Bricks editor, and so it made a duplicate entry here. The reason why is it made a duplicate entry in the WordPress text editor too. So the quick and easy way to get rid of that is go back here and just get rid of this duplicate content. Update it so now there's no more WordPress text. And now we go back and see the sample. There's no more duplicate, right? So yeah, this is kind of a workaround because when you edit using Bricks in your single blog post template, you use the text editor. It makes a duplicate text entry in your WordPress block editor too. So yeah, that's really a quick and easy method to display both Bricks data and WordPress text editor data in your single blog post template.
Okay, that's pretty much it for this tutorial. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And these videos take a lot of time, so if you do appreciate the content, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell so we can reach more people. Thank you. And if you have any comments or questions, leave in the section below and we will get to them as soon as we can. Thank you very much and see you next time. Bye.